Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can make you a member of their private server on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings and now click privacy. Now here you will find who can make you a member of their private server. Just click on it and click no one and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.